Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are into one of the most exciting announcements of the year, Apple Worldwide Development Conference 2025 or WWDC 2025. If you are a fan of tech, a developer, or even just curious about what Apple has in store, in this event you have been waiting for, from cutting-edge software update to exclusive in-person experiences. At Apple Park, there is a lot to unpack. Let's jump right in. Before we dive into the specifics of this year event, let's take a moment to appreciate what WWDC is all about. WWDC stands for the Worldwide Development Conference. It's an annual event Apple has been hosting since 1987. Initially a smaller gathering, it has grown into a global phenomenon. It's where developers come together to learn about Apple's latest innovation. Over the year, WWDC has been the stage for iconic announcements, like the introduction of the App Store in 2008 and the reveal to Swift Apple programming language in 2014. WWDC will run from Monday 9 June to Friday 13 June 2025. Like previous year, the event will be primarily online, allowing developers from every corner of the globe to appreciate. The best part is completely free for everyone in the Apple developer program. But that is not all. For those lucky enough to score an innovation, Apple is hosting an in-person event at their breathing Apple Park campus in Cupertino, California on June 9. The first day of the WWDC is always the most anticipated, and for good reason. It's when Apple leadership take the stage to unveil the latest innovation. Apple is set to showcase its latest software update, including iOS 19. What new feature will make our iPhone even smarter? iPad OS 19, an enhancement to make the iPad an even better productivity tool. Mac OS 16, a glimpse into what's next for Mac user. TV OS 19, update for the Apple TV, perhaps with the improvement integration or feature for Apple Fitness Plus. Watch OS 12, new health and fitness tracking capability. Vision OS 3, exciting improvement for the Vision Pro headset. Each announcement is expected to bring a groundbreaking feature catering to both developer and everyday user. iOS 19 redefining the iPhone experiences. iOS updates are always highlights of WWDC. With the iOS 19, we are expecting advanced AI feature for Siri, making it more conversational and context-aware. Ramped lock screen customization option, new privacy tool to give users even more control over their data. Enhanced weighted and interacting notification. iPad OS 19, the power of creativity. For iPad, Apple is rumored to introducing better multitasking capability and desktop class app for professional possibility, including more advanced version of Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro. Mac OS 16, pushing the limit of desktop computing. On the Mac front, Mac OS 16 could bring a sleeker, faster interface, improvement cross-device workflow with the universal controller and AirDrop. Vision OS 3, expanding the AR world. Vision OS is still new, but with the version 3, Apple might introduce new use cases for mixed reality in gaming, education, and productivity. Once the keynote ends, the real work being for developers. Throughout the week, Apple will host online session. Their developer can learn about a new API tool and future introduction during the keynote. Topic might include machine learning advancement, Swift update, and accessibility improvement. Additionally, there will be one-on-one lab session where developers can get hand-on help directly from an Apple engineer. Later, the June 9, Apple will hold a State of the Union addresses. A deep dive into the technical aspect of what coming. This is where developers learn how to leverage Apple new technology in the apps. For the sleek developers and students, Apple is offering a chance to attend the WWDC 2025 in person at Apple Park. Watch the keynote of State of the Union live. Network with the Apple engineering and allowing developers experiences exclusive workshop and hand-on demos. Innovation and limited to Apple Developer Program member, previous winner of the Swift Student Challenges, alumni of Apple Entrepreneur Camp. Apple uses a random lottery system to select the participant from the pool to eligible applicant. The Swift Student College of the one WWDC highlight. Each year, students from around the world create an innovation project using Swift Apple program language. Winner are named distinguished winner and invite Cupertino for the exclusive experience. This program not only recognize creativity but also inspire the next generation of developers. WWDC is more just an event. It's a heartbeat of Apple ecosystem. For developers, it's to enhance, get a head start to integration a new feature into their app, network with the Apple engineers for direct feedback. For consumer, it's a glimpse into a future of Apple products. If you are a developer, here are some tips for make update your Apple developer account to ensure you are eligible for all content. Download the Apple developer app to access session and lab. Prepare your question for lab session and advance. For fans, just tune to the keynote and get ready for some exciting reveal. Apple is knowing it. One more thing moment could we see a sneak peek at the iPhone 16, new hardware like update macbook or airpods, a surprise product entirely. Apple will release more updates to the Apple developer app and website as June approach. WWDC is shaping up to be the one of the most exciting tech event of the year. Whether you are developer, student, or just an Apple enthusiast, there's something for everyone. What are you the most exciting about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for our latest updates. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the WWDC 2025.